Hello friends. So today I'll be going to discuss you the concentration terms. What actually concentration terms are? So concentration terms are the terms which are used to measure the concentration of a solution. Now what is the meaning of word concentration? So concentration actually is used whenever we are having a solution, and it represents the amount of solute which is present in a particular solution. I'm giving you it represents the amount of solute present in the solution. I hope you're having idea about solution. What a solution is. A solution is homogeneous mixture of two or more than two components, and it will have a single phase. So the one component is solvent, other component is known as solute. Solution is made up of two components. One component is solute, another component is solvent, and when these two are mixed it will form a solution. So the amount of solute which is present in the solution, that is known as concentration terms. Now different concentration terms which we use in chemistry are: first one is molarity, second one is molality, third one is mole fraction, fourth one is percentage weight by weight, fifth one percentage weight by volume, sixth one percentage volume by volume, seventh one ppm, that is parts per million, eighth one is strength of solution, ninth one is normality, and the last 10th one is volume strength of H2O2. Volume strength of H2O2. H2O2 is what? H2O2 is hydrogen peroxide. In this, the most important are the molarity, percentage weight by volume, and normality. These are the most important, and in some places you'll find also mole fraction. So these five are the most important concentration term, and our major focus will be on explaining the concepts of these five concentration terms to a much depth. Now let's start with the first concentration term, which is molarity. Now first let's try to understand what is the meaning of molarity, or if I'm saying that if I'm having a 1 molar solution, what does it means? So molarity is actually the number of moles of solute which is present in 1 liter of solution. You can write molarity, it is represented by capital M, and it is the number of moles. It is the number of moles of solute, present in 1 liter of solution. The point which you have to keep in mind is that volume we are taking as 1 liter, and this volume is of solution. So we have to find the number of moles of solute which is present in 1 liter of solution. Just for example, if 5 moles of H2SO4 is present in 5 moles of H2SO4 is present in 1 liter of solution, then molarity of the solution will be what? So its molarity will be equal to 5m. It is represented as 5m. 5m means 5 moles of H2SO4 is present in 1 liter of solution. Other way around, what we can say, that if the molarity if the molarity of a solution is 2m. What does it mean? So it means that 2 moles of solute is present in 1 liter of solution. 2 moles of solute is present in 1 liter of solution. Is this point clear? Okay. Now mathematically, if I want to represent, so mathematically we can write molarity. Which is represented by capital M, is equal to number of moles of solute divided by volume of solution, and this volume has to be taken in what? It has to be taken in liters. So molarity is what? Molarity is number of moles of solute divided by volume of solution in liters. So with the help of this formula, what we can say, that if any two quantity is known, we can find the third quantity. Means if molarity and volume of solution is known, we can find moles of solute. If moles of solute and volume of solution is known, we can find molarity. And if moles and molarity of solution is known, then in that case we can find the volume of the solution. So this formula we have to remember, that molarity is what? It is the moles of solute divided by volume of solution in liters. This formula you have to remember, that molarity is moles of solute divided by volume of solution in liters. Now let's try to do some problems on this formula, then it will become more clear. Like first problem is, calculate the molarity of solution. Calculate the molarity of solution if 5 moles of H2SO4 is present in 10 liter of solution. Calculate the molarity of a solution if 5 moles of H2SO4 is present in 10 liter of solution. So let's see the answer of this question. What we know, molarity is moles of solute divided by volume of solution in liters. They have given moles of H2SO4 is what? 5, because H2SO4 is solute in this case, and volume of solution is what? 10. Means what we can say, the molarity of this solution is 0.5 m. Understood? This was a very simple problem. So let's do one more question. Calculate the molarity. Calculate the molarity of a solution. Calculate the molarity of a solution if 49 gram of H2SO4, if 49 gram of H2SO4 is added or present in 1 liter of solution. Now what will be molarity? So what we know, that molarity is what? Molarity is moles of solute divided by volume of solution in liters. But in this question they have not given the moles of solute. What they have given? They have given the weight of H2SO4 which is present. Now try to recall, is there any formula by which we can calculate the number of moles with the help of given mass? So we'll be able to remember that we have one formula, that number of moles is equal to given mass in grams upon molar mass of the species. Are you able to remember or not? That number of moles is equal to given mass in grams divided by molar mass. So this will become what? Given mass upon molar mass upon volume of solution in liters. Now mass is given, we know the molar mass of H2SO4, we know the volume of solution. So molarity will be what? Molarity will be equal to 49 divided by 98 into 1. That will be how much? That will be 0.5. Understood? So in this way we can see that again molarity of the solution is what? It is coming out to be 0.5 ml.